Well, I marked your papers. And Adam, topped as usual. Hail him.
I overheard your conversations with Adams, and I really need your help. I'm feeling this course already, Rama. Please now, let me join you guys. Thank you so much. Rama, thank you. I didn't know what I would have done without you guys. You guys have really helped me. Thank you.
Stop it. I am glad we could help. I hope you know this doesn't have to end here. You can join us for other courses as well. Adam here is very helpful.
Thank you very much, Adam. Adam, stop it!
Come
what
on.
Are you doing?
Hey. Don't look so scared. Come and thank me properly.
Excuse me.
Hey,
Adam,
I know you want
Adam,
to.
just
Come
stop!
on,
Stop! Adam! No! What's all this now? Ow, my back! Ow, my back!
Of Umoja.
I love it.
I'm very impressed. To think that you were all grumbling when I gave you the assignment last week. You all did well. Clap for yourselves. Miss Nkechi Joseph, come up, join me here. Sydney Tete. Sir. Rama Techimenson. And Adam Opoku Ajiman.
Yes, sir.
Miss Joseph, you really surprised me. Great job. Sydney and Irama. I hope. Adam, as usual. Keep it up.
Okay.
Clap for them once more. Now you may take your seats. Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's session.
Sir.
Have a good day.
Charlie, this girl they for throw me back pass.
Boy, you can't pass.
The girl
Me
for taking
that.
Give you 7.
So sad.
But Charlie, on the more serious note, the thing I talk about. Right. Me and yeah, this.
Are you there? Yes.
But this girl to what?
Why every day they do that?
What happened? Did you and Adam have a falling out in my absence?
Hey, hold it, Madam Big Grandma. That's your friend, Adam. He almost raped our friend Nkechi. Eh? If not for that, his roommate, he would have succeeded.
What?
Yeah?
No. Not Adam. Nkechi, is she telling the truth? God. But are you sure? Because he hasn't tried any funny business with me.
ACDC. Hey. AC.
So, what are you doing about it? Did you report him? Huh?
This caterpillar girl, she said we should stand down.
See where they vex me, say she's too soft.
I changed my mind.
Correct. Now your sense just the day there.
Kahimo, that rat, Adam. I wonder what he even wants.
Adam. What a nerve. You know what? Go answer him. Okay? That foolish boy. We have a revenge to plan. Go and answer him.
See, Nkechi, I am so sorry this happened to you. Okay? Just let me know if you need my help. Okay?
Okay.
This girl no follow plan that thing. See her two left leg.
Hi, Zuki, now you guys should stop.
See her two. Just so this girl no plan that thing with them.
Hello? Where are you? I thought you are meeting now. You can't make it. Oh my god. You know I can't finish this essay without you. So what do you want me to do now?
Nkechi, will you stop biting your nails? Eh? You're even making me nervous. Relax now. Adaeze is a big girl. She will handle him. Okay? I hope so. See. Okay, she's even calling. Hello, babe. How far? You're done, eh? Oh, okay. Okay, so come home. Let's strategize for phase 3, okay? Yes. Okay. Nkechi is fine. She's just nervous. She's even making me nervous. Yes. Don't worry. Okay. So we are home. Just come, okay? Come. Alright, dear. Okay, bye-bye. I told you, she'll be fine. She's done. Like, relax, see. As it is now, just plan and go straight to this plan, okay?
I'm serious.
Okay. We'll work first and then, we'll play later.
Okay, so work it is.
Yes, of course, work it is. So now let's get down to work. Sigmund Freud, a master sex psychologist. Yeah. So he said in one of his analysis that fantasy is an important factor in sexual excitement. Wow. He went on to say that we often conjure all kinds of perverse thoughts. You see, very bad and naughty thoughts, you know, that's finally sink somewhere.
Down.
Yes, thoughts like that. You know, which adds to the sexual excitement and then hopefully lead to a climatic, you know, pleasure.
Wow, climatic.
Yes. Very climatic, just like you and me, you know?
You're such a bad man.
Now, let me ask this question. Have you ever had a climax?
Oh, you're such a naughty boy.
Eventful than I thought. I mean, your essay is really good.
Thank you.
You are one smart cookie.
Thank you.
For the celebration.
Oh.
You are one, I must say. So we're toasting to good work done.
Psychology, love, psychology, sex, everything climatic.
You know now, climatic. Trust me. With this, we're going to climax this semester. And then with me, you're guaranteed a great shoot-up. You don't have a problem.
I pray so.
Of course.
I hope you like that.
Yes, it's good. But,
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you know what? I think I'll do you.
Stop it!
Come on, do you really want me to stop? Because I know you like me as much as I do like you. Huh? So come, bring it.
Stop it! You wanna do me? Then you have to go my way.
Yeah, I like this. Today.
Shut up there, Jory.
Now you. Onions. You see something you want chop, Abi? In a parlor. Look at this guy, yo. You the respect. Now give me 5, I beg. You do well.
I beg.
Who is that? Who else is here, Adaeze?
Who again?
Very funny. Very funny. Come, snap this guy.
Help! Somebody help!
Shut up,
Untie me!
Don't worry, you look
Help!
cute, baby.
Oh, nice.
Instagram.
Some-
Madam, you
Nkechi.
Untie me!
What
Help!
do you know about him?
He's joyous, baby. So.
No.
Hey, shut up! Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! Shut up! You catch that? Talk.
Ouch. Nkechi, please forgive me.
Sorry.
I didn't mean to scare you like that.
Scared me. You almost raped me and you can't even apologize properly for that. Did your mother teach you any manners, like saying sorry? Did she?
I didn't. It was the work of the devil. It wasn't me.
This boy is not even remorseful.
Hey, Adam, listen. You have 2 options.
No. Please untie me.
Stand. Hey, shut up. You have 2 options. Okay? Number 1. You read this poem. I prepared it nicely for you. You read it. And apologize to Nkechi sincerely. Okay? Otherwise, we'll get people to come and watch you. I mean, how you looking? Which one would you prefer? You say what? Please. What? Did you say what?
I read the poem. The
I
poem.
thought that's not. Okay. Oh, yeah, read. No problem. I don't say you go read that. Oh, yeah, read. Oh, yeah, come read now. Oh, yeah, read.
He likes to look.
Who likes to look?
There was a boy.
Uh-huh.
He likes to look.
Okay.
He likes to touch.
Okay.
Touchy gets him in trouble.
Okay.
Looky brings him pain.
Okay.
Because he looks without permission. Because he touches without permission. That boy is a dog. That dog is me.
Oh, I see.
Bark like a dog. Bark like a dog.
I say you back like a dog.
How? I'm
Back like a dog. I will send this video to Instagram now.
Okay, I'll back.
Back.
Whoa.
A smaller dog. Make it louder. Okay, nice. But you should be back. You do or you do.
Please untie me.
Untie who?
House of Umoja.